How to use Microsoft PowerPoint for presentations. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll just show you guys on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint for presentations. So without further ado, let us begin. So I'll just go to PowerPoint right here. Okay, so when creating a PowerPoint presentation, what you can do is just simply use some of the templates that are available right here. So they have different kinds of templates that you can use right here. So they have templates relating to celebrations, creative design, photo albums, trip planning, and business. So if you want to use any of these templates right here, for example, I want to choose this one, you can do a preview of it. So you will see what the template will look like. So there you go, this is what the template is. Then there are also some other templates that are similar to it that you can use as well. So if you want to start using it, you could just simply click on Edit in PowerPoint, and then you can start editing your PowerPoint presentation from here. But for this video, I'll just start creating a PowerPoint presentation from scratch. So I'll just click on create a blank presentation right here, or if you have some previous files that you want to edit, you can do so just by clicking on uploading a file right here. So I'll just create a blank presentation right here. There you go. And then here we are. We are now in our Microsoft PowerPoint editor. So in here we can now start editing our slides so that we can use this as a presentation. Okay, so what we can do is just simply add the title right here. So just simply click to add title, just like that. And then I'll just name it as my presentation, just like that. There you go. So I'll just highlight this text right here. Then I'll just change the font to, let's say, Calibri, just like that. And then there you go. The font has been changed. You can also change the font size right here as well. So for example, I'll set it to 80, something like that. And then there you go. And then you can also make it bold, italicize it if you want to, just like that. And then let's just add our subtitle right here, made by me, something like that. So there you go. Then what you can also do is move this thing around. There you go. I'll just center it a bit. And there you go. There you go. And then if you want to add another slide within your PowerPoint presentation, what you can do is just simply click on new slide right there, and then a new slide will be added. So yeah. So for now, I'll cover the tools right here at the top. So this one right here is just simply undo and redo. So this will just allow you to undo and redo your work. Next is the clipboard. So here you can cut, copy, paste, and duplicate stuff within your PowerPoint presentation. Next we have format painter, trash, adding a new slide. The slide layout, you can do that as well. So they have different kinds of slide layouts right here that you can choose from. So you can choose between a blank layout, to content, tile and content, and a lot more. So for example, I'll do that right here. I'll just go to slide layout, and then let's say I want it to be something like this, to content. And there you go, the slide layout will now change. So yeah. Then next is we have the hide slide. Again, you can change the font name right here and the font size. There you go, a lot of font names right here that you can choose from, and some font sizes. Next is increase the font size, decrease the font size, making it bold, italicizing it, adding an underline, highlights, changing the font color, more font options right here, like adding a strike through, subscript, superscript, change case, and clear formatting. Then what you can also do right here is also add bullets, change the line spacing. You can also add shapes. So for example, I'll just add this rectangle shape right there. There you go. And there you go. And then I'll just arrange this since I want this to be behind this text right here. So I'll just right click this, go to arrange, and then I'll just send it to the back, just like that. Then I'll just try to center it a bit. And then there you go. After shapes is we have the shape fill. So you can change the color of your shape right here. So you can change it to any color you want. So yeah. You can also add shape outlines, shape styles, arrange it. And if you want to search some stuff, you can search stuff right here. Dictates things, add-ins, and designer. So in designer, you can design stuff right here. And then these three dots right here allow you to change some paragraph options. Okay, so that's pretty much for the home section right here. Next is the insert. So in here, in insert, you can insert new slides, a text box, some tables. So I'll just go to this other side right here, and then let's try to insert a table, something like that. And then there you go, table will now be added. So yeah. You can also insert pictures right here. So for example, I'll just insert a stock image. So for example, I will just choose this stock image right here. I'll just click on it, click on insert. And then there you go, the image has now been added. So I'll just resize it. I'll just delete this extra one. There you go. Just resize it. I'll just move it right there. And then there you go. You can also add cameos right here, videos and audios as well. Again, you can also add shapes, stock images, and icons. So for example, I'll just add an icon. And then let's say I want to add this car icon right there. Click on insert. And there you go, the car icon has now been added. Okay. You can also add smart art if you want to, some charts, comments, and a footer. So for example, I'll just add the chart right here. So for example, I'll just add this pie chart. There you go, inserting a chart. And there you go, we now have our chart right here, and then you can edit out the chart details right here as well, which you can open up using Excel. So yeah. Moving on, so we have draw. So basically in here, you just basically draw right here within your presentation. So yeah, just like that, I can draw stuff. You can also erase if you want to. So yeah. Next is design. So in here, you can choose the design right here for your presentation. So they have a lot of designs right here that you can choose from. So if you want to use any of these designs, you can do so. So as an example, I'll just choose this design right there. Then there you go, the design has been added. So yeah, when I go back right here, here you go. In design, you can change the slide layout as well, the slide size, the background, and use the designer. So yep, so I'll just fix this a bit, something like that. There you go. Let's just try to center it again. And then there you go. Then I'll just move this. I'll move this sticker. I'll resize that. And then there you go. Then I'll just add a title right here. My second slide. And then there you go. Keep in mind, you can also rearrange slides right here. So in the left side, in this section, you can just rearrange slides just like this. Just drag them around if you want to. So yep. Next is we have transitions. So in here, you can add transitions right here between your slides. So you can choose any of these transitions right here. So for example, I'll use this morph transition right here. Then you can also set the duration of this transition, and then you can apply it to all of your slides right here if you want to do that. So I'll just do that, apply it to all, and then you will see this icon right here with a star. That means that your slide has a transition. Next are animations. So in here, you can set animations for the elements within your presentation. So for example, I want to add animation for this text right here. So I'll just make it have like a fly in animation, just like that, and then this thing on the right side will appear, so you can have or edit out the animations right here. So the entrance, it's a fly in. You can also make it start on your click with previous or after previous. You can also set the duration and delay of your animation. So yeah, feel free to add any animations you want within your presentation. Next is the slideshow. So in here, you can start playing or start presenting your PowerPoint presentation from here. So you can start from the beginning, the current slide, presenter view, and etc. Next is we have review. So in here, you can review your slides that you've made. So you can check the slide, check the accessibility, mark as all read, show the changes. You can also add comments right here and show comments. Next is view. So in here, you can add notes within your slides, use a ruler, a slide sorter, or make it go back to normal, immersive reader, zoom and fit the window. And then lastly, we have help right here. So in here, you can contact your support team, send feedbacks, and also view the keyboard shortcuts right here. So they have a lot of shortcuts right here that you can view. So you can check all these out if you want to learn the keyboard shortcuts. You can also get to see what's new right here as well. So yeah. And then after that, once you're ready, or once you're done editing out your PowerPoint presentation, what you can do is to present it. So if you want to present it, just click on present right here, or go to slideshow right here, and then just click on start from the beginning or start from the current slide. So for me, I'll just present it. I'll just wait for it to load, and then there you go. When I click on it, there you go. So you can see the animation popped up. Then I'll click on it again, and there you go. The transition was also applied. And there you go. Then at the top right here, you can also get to see the comments, catch up, editing. So you can change it into editing mode or viewing mode, and then you can share it as well. So you can share this to your team members right here. So you can share it or copy a link, or you can just simply link a slide to the people that you want to send it to. And then you can also manage the access right here, and then you'll see this. So you can start sharing this, share it. Then you'll also get to see the links right here that you've made and the family and groups that have access to your PowerPoint presentation. And after that, you're pretty much done on how to edit in PowerPoint, in Microsoft PowerPoint. And so if you want to save it, click on File. You can create a new PowerPoint presentation right here from blank presentation or templates. You can open previous PowerPoint presentations that you've made, share it with people, create a copy of it, export it. So you can export your presentation as a PDF, an ODP, or you can export it to images. Then you can print it as well. rename the PowerPoint presentation, see the version history, and info. So yeah. And then if you want to rename your PowerPoint presentation, just go to the top right here, click on it, and then you can just rename your file from there. Then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint for presentations. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.